Shani, hold Tommy. Shani, just hold Rocky close to you, please. Yeah.
That's okay, I'll go.
Tommy. Just be careful. Shani, watch out for Rocky.
I'm a Rocky. I've got Rocky. Oh my God. Oh my God, Tommy.
Watch out, Shani, Shani, Shani.
I've got Rocky. Who have I got?
Watch out, Shani, he'll get you, and I'm telling you, he'll hurt you.
Rocky. I've got Rocky.
Watch out, Shani, he's coming back after you.
I've got Rocky.
Shani, watch out, he'll get you. Shani, okay, stop, Shani, stop, Shani.
Okay.
Alright, put Rocky back up in the cage.
Come, Rocky.
Alright, now you go. Shani, Rocky, Tommy will watch you. Tommy!
Back off, Tommy.
No, Shani, stop it. Tommy!
Whoa. Now, baby.
Hey, Shani, leave them!
Rocky, like you
Leave
said.
them! I said leave them!
You should grab Rocky from
I
the
said leave
cage.
them, just leave them.
Hey, Tommy.
Get me on the finger for touching Rocky. Shani, he'll bite you, bub, believe me.
We tried to get Rocky off the floor, and he beat you.
No, Tommy, come and grab me when I had Rocky in my hand. And attack me. Shani, just leave him. No, leave him.
Like I did to them.
Hello, you. What are you doing, huh? What are you doing, baby? What's in your mouth? Come here. What's in your mouth? Come here. Shani, I said no more.
Once more.
No more.
It's really fun.
No more.
Please.
I said no more.
Please,
your mouth.
once more.
I said no more, and I meant it.
Is this recording?
Yeah, it is. I said no. Leave him.
Is
Just
it?
leave him.
Oh, it's funny.
Yeah, and if one of them gets hurt, is it real funny?
Funny if he bites me.
Is it?
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah.
Right. Well, he's got his wings up. He's saying, "This is my boy." Tommy. Hey, baby.
That's Candy.
Candy.
Thanks, Candy, for giving me some air.
Hi, girl. Oh, look, here we come. Hello, baby. Shani, leave him. I swear, Shani,
Hello,
Shani, I mean it, leave him.
Who's it for them?
And Candy's in love with Rocky. And Tommy's trying to come and take over.
That's okay, Candy. Tommy's going soon.
Shani.
What? Hey.
Tommy boy. Tommy. Rocky. Hi, Rocky boy.
Oh.
Mitchie. Hello, Mitchie.
They weren't
Hello, Mitchie. Hello.
Look at the mess.